just come out of the roundhouse and it was pouring with rain for a while, and it's still very wet, and there's a lot of thunder and lightning in the background, very close at the back of New South Wales University, so I'm a little bit scared. There's a lot of people waiting for the light rail. I'm just hoping it comes soon and we don't get struck by lightning, because the lightning and thunder is really close. I can see it just above me now. I don't know if you can hear it in the background. We'll see it. There it is. It's very close. So scary. Minutes until the next L3 comes. Gosh. So close. There's people still arriving at the uni. I wonder if it's quicker just catching the bus. I mean, there still is a bus going to the city to Circular Quay, so that is an option. There's even one going to Bondi Junction. Maybe people think it's faster catching the light rail to the city.